What's up, my Back to Life family? I am out here in Calicut, in Kerala, in India. Literally, there's street food everywhere. I want to show you all this because this is absolutely dope. I'm against the beach. Literally, there's just people absolutely everywhere. And then there's food carts absolutely everywhere right here. So you can see it. It's pretty dope. My man's selling fruit. This is pretty cool right here. I got to show you all this. We got fresh fruit. What's this? What is it? Peraka. It's okay, Peraka. I'm from Kerala. Yeah, Sugamano. So we got the fresh fruit. We got everything. How much for one?
5 rupees.
5 rupees. I will take one. Pineapple. Pineapple. 5 rupees for a pineapple. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Oh yeah. The steak. Boom. Keep it, brother. Thank you. More fruit. How you doing, brother? I got him already. Your turn. What's your name? Sugamano. I'm from Kerala. Alapura. All right, so we got more fruit right here. How much? 5?
5 rupees.
This one. Yeah. How is this in Malayalam?
Malayalam.
Name?
Papaya.
Papaya. Same.
Okay.
Oh.
Tourist water.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the fresh papaya right here. I love it. How you doing, brother? We got fresh coconut. People chilling. My man making fresh mussels. Fried food. What you have, sir? What's this? Seafood. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. That's pretty cool. How much one?
1 plate 40.
One piece. One piece. Fried cauliflower. That's pretty cool. I will tell you how it's tasting. Alright, so we got the fried cauliflower. Hey brother, that's good. How much?
1 plate?
No, for one piece, how much? Nothing. Nani. Thank you. So we're gonna keep walking. Got more street food vendors. Literally, y'all see people selling stuff like on the beach, in the sand, chilling. There's a little naked baby walking. That's pretty cool. What's up, brother? Sugamano. Sugamano. What's up, brother?
Where are you from?
Alapura.
Alapura.
Yeah?
Alapura is
I'm from Kerala. No, America.
American.
Where are you from?
From Vadagara. Calicut. Vadagara.
Yeah?
Calicut. What's your name, brother?
Nikolai.
Nicola.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Muria.
Nice to meet you, bro. What's your name?
My name is Nishad.
Ishad.
Nishad.
Nishad. Nice to meet you, brother. What's your name?
Nitin.
Nitin. I'm Nikolai. Very close. Oh, selfie. Okay, hold on. I gotta take a selfie. I'll be back. All right, I'm still walking. What's up, brother? How you doing, brother? We got more street food. We got seafood right here. What's this, mussel? Ooh, I need this one. How much is this one? Come on, English. How much?
12 rupees.
12 rupees. How many?
1 piece.
For one piece. Oh, my man is a translator for me. What's your name, brother?
Abdurrahim.
Abdurrahim? What is it?
Abdurrahim.
Abdurrahim. All right, where are you from?
Malappuram.
I'm from Alapura. Alapi.
Alapi.
Yeah, Sugamano.
Sugam.
Yeah. All right, one for me. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the mussel, the fried mussel. Street food, literally on the street. That's nice. All right, y'all, so we got the mussel right here. All right, so I'm about to eat this, see how it tastes. This is gonna be good. All right, y'all, so I got the fried mussel right here. This is about to be good. I already know what it is. Street food in India, man. That's darn good. They got some seasoning in there. Good flavor. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. And you can literally see so many different people. This is so good. I love it. How you doing? Sugamano. How you doing?
Hey, yeah, Guru.
Hold on, bro.
Where you are from?
Where are you from?
You where from?
Where are you from? Calicut.
Yeah.
I'm from Alapura.
Alapura? No.
No. Alapi. Look.
No.
Same
Yeah, black. Yeah,
Same thing.
No. Maybe
America.
You
Ah.
USA. Oh, very
USA.
good. Nice. You came here
Yesterday.
yesterday? Calicut.
First day, yeah.
Calicut.
In India.
India.
Yeah. First
Okay.
time.
Very nice, huh?
I love it. Hey, beautiful. God's own country.
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah, God's own country.
Come on.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, still name?
Nikolai.
Nicola. My name is sweet name.
How?
Riyaz.
Riyaz. Okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna keep it moving. I don't know what they talking about. You got people on the streets here. Chilling, man. How you doing, brother? Literally, bro, just people everywhere on the beach. Chilling. What's up, brother? How you doing, brother? How you doing? My brother, same guy. What's up, brother? That's my guy that I got one from on the other video. That's a good dude. Good people right here. Thank you. Nani.
Okay.
Thank you. Look, you're on the video now. See you, bro. Thank you. Look at that. Baby's loving. Good love right there. Hello. Cool people, man. I love India. The sun is shining on me, man. As y'all can see, there's just tons and tons of people. What's up, brother? You on my YouTube channel, look. Back to life. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. How you doing, brother? Doing good? Where you from? Where from?
Kela. Very good.
Alapura?
Alapura.
Yeah, Alapi. Sugamano. America. America. Okay, good. Thank you. I love Indians, man. What's up, brother? How you doing? You gonna be on my YouTube channel? What's your name, brother?
Absel.
Abshel. My name's Nikolai. What's your name? Shafiq. America. No, I'm just kidding. Alapura. Alapi. Sugamano.
Sugam.
Thank you. Have a good day. Take it easy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep walking. More street food everywhere. This is dope. So many people. I'm gonna turn the camera around here soon so y'all can see more of everything. Literally, it's just cars on cars, mopeds on mopeds. This is freaking crazy. The roads are all, I'm over here tripping up on the sidewalk. So many people, man. This is crazy. Check it out. We got the tuk-tuk guy. How you doing, brother? Hello. He is my hero. You're my hero. Yeah, he is my hero. Yeah, you see this one? This one. No. Look. He is my hero. You are my hero. Yeah. There you go. How you doing, brother?
Yes.
Hello. You got people chilling, man. All the street food vendors making money. This is dope. We got dogs on the street. We try to help. Bless you. What's up, brother? More street food. We got a random dog. Hello. How you doing, brother? More street food. How you doing, brother? Sugamano. Bunch of people, man. Bunch of people. This is dope. This is awesome. How you doing, brother? How you doing? What's your name, brother?
My name is Nasa.
You look cool, man. You're all fit. You got the nice watch, nice outfit.
This one or
Woo, you blow. You get too much money. Jeez. Hey,
working in Dubai.
I just come from Dubai. See you, bro.
Thank you.
You look cool too. Hello. This is cool, man. Just to show y'all what it's like here in the streets of India, man. Calicut, Kerala, God's own country. How you doing, brother? This is cool, man. Everybody drives a freaking moped or a motorcycle. What's up, brother? How you doing? Whoop. Jeez, that's dangerous. How you doing? Yeah. Channel? Back to life.
Back to life.
What's your name?
Rishad.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you very much.
Back to life.
Back to life. Thank you, bro. How you doing, brother? How y'all doing, brother? Yeah. How you doing, brother? This is cool, man. Y'all see the beach right there. People just doing business. How you doing, brother? Sugamano.
Sugam.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Nani. More street food. Literally everywhere. Hello. Hello. I'm great. Sugamano. Sugam. Y'all like that? I'm from Kerala. Alapura. Alopi. Yeah, I'm from Alopi. Where are you from?
Kannur.
Kannur?
Yeah.
From Alopi. Different people, yeah?
Yeah. What's your name?
Nikolai, what's your name?
Ajmal.
Ajmil.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? Come here.
Sinan.
Shinan.
Sinan.
Nice to meet you, brother. What's your name?
Ajmal.
Ajmal.
Yeah. Vishnu.
Vishnu. Oh, I know another Vishnu. Somewhere, I don't know. Maybe in Dubai. I think so. Thank you, bro. All right, y'all. You guys go ahead, brother. I'm gonna shoot some more of this. Bye-bye. Yeah, we got all the street food, man. Literally just street food vendor, street food vendor, street food vendor. Absolutely dope. It's actually pretty cool, man, to see all this. Super bright out here, though. This sun is killing it. We got a man sleep over there. My man sleeping his tuk-tuk. What's up, brother? How you doing? Sugamano. I'm from Alapura. Alopi. How you doing, brother? What's this? What's it, like gangster?
Like this.
Like a thug?
Yeah.
Like a gangster.
This?
Yeah.
Not like this?
Either one. You gangster, yeah?
Gangster.
What's your name?
This is my name is Jazzy.
Jazzy. I like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Here.
Calicut. I'm from Alapura.
Lovely.
My friend again.
man.
Yeah, you again.
Yeah.
You want to be on YouTube, man?
This guy. Yeah.
All these guys. Yeah, everybody. Tell them your name.
Musin. Jihad. Shekhabuddin. Muhammad.
All my friends. All my
These all
friends.
guys.
Yeah, these are all my friends. This guy is a gangster. How do you say gangster in Malayalam? How do you say gangster? Gunda. Yeah. It's Gunda. You see how he's standing like this? I walked up and he's like this. With his gun, like this.
This is gun.
Yeah, it's a gun. Show him one more time. Show him.
Show him.
Do it like that. Yeah. That's nice, bro. Nice to meet you, brother. All right, y'all. So we're continuing walking. Bunch of street man, just like loud. It's cool though. It's pretty cool. People coming from work. All that stuff. How you doing, brother? Hello. It's pretty cool, man. It's nice to see. They see a camera and they're like, oh yeah, I'm getting on camera. We got like abandoned buildings in the background. Hello, brother. Hello. Coconuts. Sugamano. Everybody. I'm from Alopi. Alapura. Yeah, I'm from Kerala. God's own country. Huh? Kerala. I'm from Kerala. Same color. Look. Come on, man. America. Yes, I love India. Bharat Mata ki jai. Hold on, brother. My man, look at this. Oh! That boy. All my love quotes are about you. Look at this. Bouncing. What's your name, brother? Kasam. Nice to meet you, bro. Oh, that's good. Hold on.
Where from you?
America. Nah, Alopi. Yeah. Alopi, Kerala.
Subscribe back live.
Thank you. Okay. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. All right, y'all. As you can see, there's so much street food vendors out here. Like literally, just cart after cart after cart after cart. So many people just chilling. The beautiful sunset. This place is absolutely amazing, man. So freaking dope. I absolutely love it. India has not disappointed, and I haven't even been here that long. Absolutely. How you doing, brother? How you doing? We got a whole squad right there. They're just making a living, man. Making a living. And I'm walking in the sand. It's pretty cool. So many people. So many people, and it's just beautiful. Even my man right there, he's like, yo, you hungry, you hot? I got fans. What do you need? I got it. I love it, man. Look at that. Picture perfect. Hello. This is dope, man. People just chilling. What's up?
Good time.
My brother.
Again.
My brother, he gets on the YouTube channel twice, man.
Yeah.
You're
No,
eating,
going.
chilling. What are you doing?
Only beach.
Only beach. Yeah,
Only
beach. Walking around. Go eat. You know.
Eat.
Paragon.
Paragon Hotel. Oh, the famous. Good.
You're vlogging. Holding. Hold.
Huh?
Hold. Like this. Like this.
പിടിക്കാനോട് സെൽഫി പോലെ പിടിക്കാൻ
I'm talking.
സംസാരിക്കാൻ
Talk.
എന്ത് സംസാരിക്കാന്? Hi.
Your name?
Shadul.
Looking here. Looking
അതിൽ
here.
ക്യാമറയിൽ
Yeah, like this. Hold here. Yeah, and looking here. Say Malayalam. Anything.
മലയാളം പറഞ്ഞോ
നല്ല വിശേഷം.
എൻ്റെ പേര് എൻ്റെ വയസ്സ് ഇതൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കണത്
50 വയസ്സ്. 3 ക്ലാസ് കല്ലായി UP സ്കൂൾ.
Thank you. This is his father right here. I didn't steal this guy, I promise. Father, mother, little brother. Hello. Thank you, bro. Alright, y'all, so I think that's enough showing y'all out here. This beach is absolutely amazing. I want to show y'all how many street vendors were literally out here in Calicut. But it's one street out here by the beach, and literally everybody's just trying to make a living, making money, selling food, and people are enjoying it. I mean, there's people literally everywhere out here. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My Back to Life family, I'll see you on my next vlog. Peace.
In the night, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you wake me up when the sun goes down. Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down. I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.